In this video, I'm going to show you how to lower iPhone alarm volume. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then right here tap Add Sounds and Haptics. And now here you can set your alarm volume just by simple dragging this slider to the left or to the right. You can move it to the left to reduce volume level, and you can move it to the right to increase it. And also you can enable this feature. It calls change with buttons. You can just hit at that switcher to enable it, and now you can control this feature just by simply pressing volume up and volume down button. So in that easy way you can adjust the level for your alarm sound as loud as you want it to be. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.